everybody, I'm Kimberly Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade tiger nuts milk shampoo. Please check out one of my shows for how to make tiger nuts milk. I've made it from the actual tiger nuts and from the flour in a couple of different ways. So check those out. These are what tiger nuts are. If you've never heard of tiger nuts, they're nut free. They're not nuts at all. They are actually little tubers that grow into the ground. They look like little wrinkly chickpeas. So they're vegetarian, they're vegan, they're organic, they're non-GMO. They are very healthy for you. They're gluten-free, nut-free, dairy-free, cholesterol-free. If you're eating them, they're great for the paleo diet. They're great for Whole30, the raw food diet as well. And they're antibacterial. They have a prebiotic in them. They have a lot of fiber, and they have a resistant starch, which is great for weight loss. But when it comes to beauty products, when it comes to beauty, it's an organic product, it's vegan, and it's very good for your hair and your skin and everything else. So make sure you check out how to make the tiger nuts milk. I have my tiger nuts milk here, and I'm going to measure out some easy ingredients for you to make your own shampoo. You don't have to purchase shampoos that have a whole bunch of chemicals in them. They have all kinds of things you can't even pronounce, and they are very bad for you. So this is a very simple and easy way to make a shampoo. You can choose whatever essential oil you desire to make it fragrant. Today I'm going to be using a peppermint oil. Not only is peppermint oil smell good, it's invigorating. It is a vasodilator. It can help with male and female pattern baldness. It can help prevent hair loss as well. And it is also antimicrobial. It fights against insects and pests as well. So if there's an issue with lice or something like that with your kids, then you could probably use this as well. So there's just a few ingredients. It's very, very simple. So I'm using 1/4 cup of the tiger nuts milk today. You could definitely make a double batch of this, no problem, just double the ingredients. So I'm using a pure castile soap. This is the baby unscented one. They have a wide variety of fragrances. With Dr. Bronner's is a very common brand, but it's a very basic soap, and it doesn't have any chemicals. So I'm going to use 1/4 cup of that. You can measure it all in the same measuring cup, no problem. That's going to help kind of make it foamy as well. And I know everybody, that's what people like about their shampoos, is that it has a nice foam, right? So I used the nuts to make this milk today, and this is their whole premium organic tiger nuts. Make sure you check out my review on that. And I'm also going to use some tiger nuts oil. This is their raw premium organic tiger nuts first press extra virgin oil. So this is super good for you. I used it while I was pregnant to prevent myself from getting stretch marks. I don't have any stretch marks. I have no blemishes, nothing. And the skin is very, it kept it very elastic. So this is very good for your scalp, for your skin. It helps regulate your oils as well. There you go. I'm going to use half of that. That's going to also help sort of condition your hair, and it should help detangle as well. So that's 1/2 teaspoon of that. So these products come from tigernutsusa.com. Make sure you check them out online. They've got a whole wide variety of their tiger nuts products. They have the nuts, they have oil, they have smoothie mix, and they have flour. That is all amazing stuff. So in that goes, I'm starting with the oil, and I'm going to use about 20 drops of a peppermint oil. It's also very cooling to your scalp. It feels nice and fresh. Anything minty feels nice on your skin. And I'm going to pour this in, and I'll just pour the tiger nuts milk and the castile soap. You can see that's a small batch, and I like to keep them small batch because this is a milk, right? So this will keep for a few days until this is done, but then you can just make it again, make another batch, and that's no problem. And I like to mix it in a container like this. You can just go ahead and shake it up. So combine all the ingredients. This particular bottle that I took from my guy, he brought this home from a sporting event. It has a squirt thing there, so it's very easy to use in the shower, and you can control the amount that you use. So as you can see, as I shook it up, you're gonna see that it has a nice foam. So it was only to here, and that's all like foam. That's suds. Okay, so that's what you do. You're going to use the same amount as you pretty much would any other shampoo. You're going to lather it up. If you want to get added benefit from the tiger nuts milk and the oil as well as the peppermint oil, I would lather up and leave it on for a minute. That's what I say. I tell them to leave it on for a minute or two, and then rinse it out as normal. And that's it. You can condition after that. So this is a very simple and easy way, an inexpensive way to make your own homemade shampoo, and you can make multiple batches. You can make different fragrances, and you can put different additions in depending upon what you are looking for and what kind of benefits you're looking for. So check out the essential oils that you may want to use and add a couple drops. There you go. It smells amazing. And it feels so nice in the shower. Also, make sure you check out our shows for how to make a rosemary tiger nuts salt body scrub and an orange tiger nuts sugar body scrub. You're gonna love those too. So that's how you do it. That's how you make a homemade tiger nuts milk shampoo. You can do it too. Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim, E with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. Check out my instagram.com/webchef of all trades. You can find shows online on youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly, and come to my website at cookingwithkimberly.com. Interact with us and subscribe, and let us know what's going on in your culinary world, all right? Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously.